Want to remove subtitles from your Spectrum TV app viewing experience? Here's how to turn off closed captions. While watching live or on-demand content, look for the CC or Subtitles button on your remote, often the asterisk symbol. Press it to bring up a menu and select Off to disable subtitles. Alternatively, disable CC through the app settings. Access the menu, go to Settings, then Accessibility or Audio Video, find Closed Captions and toggle to Off. This applies across most channels. If closed captions persist, it might be channel-specific, especially during live events. Try clearing the app cache, ensuring a stable internet connection of at least 25 Mbps, resetting the app, or contacting Spectrum support for help. The Spectrum TV app allows you to adjust language settings for audio and subtitles, catering to multicultural audiences. To change the audio language, go to the app's Settings menu. Navigate to Audio, Language, and select your preferred language from the available options. In the Accessibility Settings menu, you may also find options to change the subtitle language. Spectrum is continually improving support for subtitle languages, but availability may vary based on the content and your location. The Spectrum TV app now integrates AI to provide more accurate and real-time subtitles in multiple languages. But turning them off remains user-controlled using the methods described above. Some channels and on-demand content offer dual audio options, allowing you to switch between languages directly during playback without needing to go into the settings menu. Look for a dual audio option on the playback screen.